Alright, now my next step is to, because this new one has Genesis on it, I want to debadge this and just have the 4.6. So this is metal. I got my heat gun, got my glue gun. If it was plastic, you wouldn't want to leave the heat gun on there too much because the heat does not conduct through plastic, so it might damage it, whereas here it'll kind of spread through the metal a little bit more, so you can kind of be a little more liberal with it. Got my hard hat from work holding it up so I can get a good angle on it, but and my fishing line ready. So I'm not gonna be able to do this with one hand, but I'll show you the process when it's done. It's the same exact process as what I did, took that one off. Same thing, it's just tinier and a little more tedious, but that's it. I'm going to show you guys this. As I'm using a heat gun on it, you know, not too close to it, but always keeping it moving. Always keeping it moving. And you can see, it's kind of hard to tell, but let's see if I can show you. See that? I'm able to move it already just from heating it up. So when I get this hot enough, I'm going to start taking it off with the fishing line, just as I did the other symbol. So I just did the S, came off like butter. And all I gotta do now is do them all, and then I'm gonna get, you know, the rest of this glue off, which for the most part, as you can see, kind of picks off, but you know, we're gonna clean it up. So as you can see, that's actually with them all off. There they all are. That's just now all the glue that left. So this is the fun part, unfortunately, where you gotta try to get all this off, and you may or may not have to when it's all said and done and you get all the glue off. And I'd suggest, I'm gonna use the heat gun again, maybe even get a plastic putty knife, wrap a little rag around the end of it, try to help get it all and ball it up, so then you're able to pull it right off. You still might see some of that edging, so we might have to wax and buff it, but either way, it's gonna come off one way or another. Alright, so it's getting darker out here, but I got it all off. That's just the remnants of the glue gun drying. But see, as it's drying, this is what I wanted to show you. It's all off. Like if I wet this, you're not gonna see it. It's perfectly smooth. I don't feel anything raised up, but as you can tell, you still see Genesis there. That just comes from, there was something on here for, this is a 2011, so 7 years this was like this. Nobody was cleaning in the crevices. The paint obviously underneath this letter was completely protected from the sun. So all I have to do now is just basically get a little bit of rubbing compound and then buff it out and then polish it, and you won't see none of that. So